Here's how to download OneState RP on PC. First is go to the website of apptodownload.com and afterwards go to the search options. Once you're already on the search option, go ahead and search for OneState game. After searching for the OneState game, wait for a few seconds until you see there the page where you will see there the OneState game. Once you see the OneState game, go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, scroll down until you see there the option that says Get the latest version. Now what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there an option that says Download. What you need to do is to click on the download options and you will be seeing the download file status at the upper of your PC. And afterwards, there you have it. You have successfully installed the One State RP game on your PC. All you need to do is to zip and file the game.